If you're going to download just one post image at a time, first go ahead and just make your changes. So if you need to make a change to the background, you can change the color. If you want to swap out the photo, you can go to Elements and slide in a different photo if you'd like. You can change the font by clicking the text and changing the font over here. And any other elements that you want to change, go ahead and do that. When the post image is ready, then you can go over here to Share and click Download. And instead of this, go ahead and click PNG. And you'll see that this is number 5. So here you want to unselect all. And I'm only going to download page 5 right now. And so once you're done with that, hit done and download. And then your PNG file that you're going to post on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you're going to go ahead and post it, or put on a flyer that you're going to advertise, then you can download that image from your downloads folder.